Can't change color of notes on Instagram note. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, if you're trying to change the color of your notes from Instagram and you're not able to change, then what you can do here is that, let me just show you. If I type like gold, and if you share it here, you can see the color is not changed. So to fix this problem here, I'm back with a brand new video. So guys, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store and then make sure to update your Instagram first. So after updating only, you'll be able to use the gold and colorful notes on your Instagram notes. So make sure to update your Instagram first, and then secondly I'm going to show you what you have to do. So guys, you can see here I have successfully updated my Instagram. Let me open it, and then here on the top you can see notes. So let us try giving this emoji, and then here you can see the color is changing now. Let me just try another. Okay, let me just delete this and try another. Okay, let me just go for this and then click on share. You can see that see the changes. So guys, this is how you can do that. But if it is not working, then what you can do is that you just need to go to your settings on your device. After going to settings, here you'll get one option that is software updates or system update. Make sure to update your system and then delete your Instagram and then reinstall it. The problem will be solved. Guys, again, if it is not solved, then please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out. Thanks for watching.